Oh, don't all scream at the same time. You're making me deaf. So, you, don't worry, I won't fall over them. Because this is a real display of bags, isn't it? Talking about bags. Okay, but at least did you find that you had, did you get to find out more about people, more about, yes, that we're doing different things, etc.?
Yes, also that all of us work in at least 2 places.
Right, very interesting, work in at least 2 places. Is that the case for other people as well? That you work in at least 2 places? No?
We work in 2 places.
Okay. Anything else? Oops.
And that to manage with different levels.
I know what it is. It's a coat. That's bringing the hat down. There you are. Stay there. Okay. Sorry, you were saying that?
No, that also she said that
We have different levels.
Right. Uh-huh.
to manage that.
Ah, you have mixed ability classes. Do a lot of you have mixed ability groups?
No one group
We work with third grade, second grade.
Ah, right.
You have to plan for one grade and then for another one, and the work is really hard sometimes.
Ah, right. You teach different grades.
And we
Okay.
have different levels in class too.
Well, but that is it because it's mixed ability, or is it because some are brighter and others?
That's it. I'm not right.
Right. Okay. Right. Now, look at in your worksheet there. Actually, we have one changed my order, so I'm a bit confused myself. But what it does, one coincides. that's a good thing. Sorry. You're all, don't worry, the germs won't get there. Now, what you have at the back here, where it says students' attitudes, can you see it in the 3rd page?
Yeah.
Actually comes from this book, which is called Helping Students to Learn, which was published by Richmond donkeys years ago. Do you know it? Anybody used it ever?
No, I have others, but not that one.
Not that one.
Yeah, I have others from
Ah,
series, but not that
interesting.
one.
Because you've had, I mean, it's been around for, whoa, oops, never mind, I'll pick it up, don't worry. When was it published?
I have teaching very young.
1998.
Teaching
Yeah.
very young
Ve-
children.
Very
yeah,
young
and I
learners.
have
Right.
evaluating your students.
Well, but this one is particularly related to our concept of learner independence, and I think it's actually worth, well, have a look, and you will see it's got lots of very interesting ideas and things you can do in class, etc. But before we get there, I'd like you to look at task 1, have a look. Don't worry. Right? Now, what are we supposed to do? Read, yes. But read the whole book or what?
Page 15.
The whole of page 15?
No, students' assumptions about the end.
Helping students learn.
But it's students' assumptions, which is the bottom part. Only the bottom part. The rest you can take home and have a peek, right? But we're going to start here, okay? Now, and the question is, what are we looking for? What are we reading for?
To choose options.
To what?
To choose
the
options.
that best reflect what you think your students will do. That's
Yes,
And then
which
to continue.
means you have, there are several options, as you can see,
Yeah.
right? They, unfortunately, they're not numbers. They have dots. But think of your students, right? Of your reality, of your everyday reality. Which of these, choose at least two that you think reflect your students' attitudes. Okay? Right. Think of your daily life, right? Your students think what?
That they learn only with my
With your help.
They think that they learn only with
Right. So they are completely useless, let's say.
my No, they can't do anything on their own. They need my help. Or maybe they're always asking for my help. And I always say no, because it's not.
Right.
That's what they
And do they do it?
Yes, they do it. But they think they can't without my help.
Right?
It's not my case because none of these applies to my student. Maybe the one that says you learn only with help from a teacher, but at very low levels, like first primary, things like that. Because we work in a bilingual school, so I mean,
They what? They
they
get
won't
on with
think any of these. I mean,
Right. None of
it's
them would
natural,
apply.
you know. Just
Ah.
comes out naturally.
Right.
They're learning, you know.
Right.
So it's like
Other people?
Sometimes they have quite, like they do it, but in some specific situations when they have to, for example, if they are working with the parts of the body